Hello everyone, I am Deepak from Udan class 10. Today we will be discussing on the poem that is Saddu Madadiru. It is written by CPK. Okay, Saddu Madadiru meaning is you should not make any sound. Okay, when you are reading your life, we'll just discuss in detail later. So before moving on to the discussion, CPK is the name of the poet Kavi Parche. See, the full name of CPK is Dr. Chikkanayakanahally Puttegowda Krishna Kumar. Okay, you should know the full name of CPK. His full name is Dr. Chikkanayakanahally Puttegowda Krishna Kumar. He has born in Avaru, Krishnarajanagara Talukina, Chikkanayakanahalliyalli 1939 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದೆಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ BM ಶ್ರೀ ಅವರ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಪದಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He has written more than 300 ಕೃತಿಗಳು. ಅವರು 300ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಗಸೆ ಎಂಬ ಕೃತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡದಿರು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ದೊರಕಿವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಶ್ರೀ, ವಿದ್ವತ ಶಿರೋಮಣಿ, ಹನಿಗಮನ ಹರಿಕಾರ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಜಾನಪದ ತಜ್ಞ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಹಲವಾರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ದೊರಕಿವೆ. ಓಕೆ, when it comes to the Kavi Parche, you should be able to write at least his full name, the year in which he has born. He has written more than 300 ಕೃತಿಗಳು. The ಬೊಗಸೆ is the most important one because the ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಕವನವನ್ನು ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡದಿರು ಕವನವನ್ನು ಅವರ ಬೊಗಸೆ ಕವನ ಸಂಕಲನದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, now we'll just move on to the ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವೇಶ. Okay, when it comes to the poem, you should know something, the hidden meaning of these poems. Okay, now ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವೇಶ. Okay, we'll just discuss about ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವೇಶ, then I'll just read each para and just explain. Okay, ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವೇಶ, ಆಡಂಬರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಜನ ಮನಸೋಲುವುದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ. So ಆಡಂಬರ means for appreciation, for ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ, in order to get awards or appreciation in the society. So people do lot many things. If they donate something, they want the name to appear there. So saddu madadiru here means without making any sound, without any show off, or without any getting any more appreciation in the society, you should live a very simple life. That is what our poet CPK is telling or describing in this small poem. Okay, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ, ಓಕೆ, ಸಂಪತ್ತು, ಹೆಸರು, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದೇ ಜೀವನದ ಸಾರ್ಥವೆಂದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ತಿಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. People, they just thought that having luxurious life, ಸಂಪತ್ತು, getting a name in the society, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದೇ ಜೀವನದ ಸಾರ್ಥಕವೆಂಬುದು. Then your life becomes successful when you have name in the society, or only when you get name and fame in the society. ಓಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸದ್ದು ಗದ್ದಲವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ತನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. He is telling that the nature without making any sound. For example, you see the growing of a flower without making sound. How does the flower becomes the fruit? Without making any sound, you see the sun raises and gives us the sunshine. So all the natural activities, they go without making any sound. So he says that even the human should learn from the nature, and he should behave politely and without making sound. He should lead his life. That is what the hidden meaning he is describing. Okay, see, just use an example here. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಮಿರುಗುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತವೆ. You see, without making any sound, ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು means the stars, they shine ಕಾಮನಬಿಲ್ಲು ಗೋಚರವಾಗುವುದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೇನ್ಬೋ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಪುಷ್ಪಗಳು ಅರಳಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಸೋಗುವುದು. ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಬ್ಲಾಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ sweetness smell around us. Then ಕಾಯಿಗಳು ಮಾಗಿ ರಸಭರಿತ ಹಣ್ಣು ಆಗುವುದು. How does those seeds they just ripens and they becomes the fruit. All these things happens in the nature without making any sound. So ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. They do not show off their things what they do. ಆದರೆ ಮಾನವ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ತನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಡಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ he just showcases his thing in very bigger way. That is what the poet is saying here. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಮಾನವ ತನ್ನ ಅಹಂ ಮರೆತು the human should forget his egoness, the arrogance what he is having. ತೊರೆದು ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಹನೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮೌನವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಬೇಕು. You should lead a very simple life. You should be having patience. Then you should spread the love in the surrounding. This is how the life becomes more beautiful and luxurious. This ಎಂಬ ಸಂದೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. Now I'll just move on to the poem. Okay. See first para. ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡದೆ ಬಾಳು ಬಾಳೆಲುವು ಜೀವ ಗದ್ದಲದ ಬಿರುವುದಿರದೆ ಸೇರು ನೀವ. See in these two lines what does he mean is saddu madade baadu, without making any sound or without show offing or exaggerating the things. You should live a simple life. But the life is to live very in a simple way. The first line says that gaddalada birudirade seru river, without getting into the what it is, without getting into gaddala means the crowd and all. So you should save the river. Here river meaning is the hadagu jaga, that means boat standing place. So you should without making any sound you should reach in your life without exaggerating your things or telling that to everybody. In a very simple way you should lead a life. Saddu madadi baadu ಬಾಳೆಲುವ ಜೀವ ಗದ್ದಲದ ಬಿರುದಿರದೆ ಸೇರು ರೇವ. Okay, now I will move on to the second para. ತಟ್ಟೆ ಓಳು ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗುವಲು ದೀಪದೆದುರಿಗೆ ತಿಮಿರ ಸರಿಯುವಂತೆ. ತಟ್ಟೆ ಓಳು, ತಟ್ಟೆ means there is a plate. Okay, ತಟ್ಟೆ ಓಳು means plate. Then ಕರ್ಪೂರ means camphor. Okay, ಕರ್ಪೂರ. Okay, what is it telling here is ತಟ್ಟೆ ಓಳು means the plate, ಕರ್ಪೂರ means the camphor, ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗುವಲು means how does this camphor burns? The camphor burns without making any sound completely. ದೀಪದೆದುರು means yes, ದೀಪದೆದುರು. ತಿಮಿರ means ಕತ್ತಲು. Okay, so what is he telling in first line is ತಟ್ಟೆ ಓಳು ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗೋಲು. ಹೇಗೆ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೌನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ, ತಿಮಿರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಾಗ ಕತ್ತಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ದೀಪದೆದುರು ತಿಮಿರ ಸರಿಯುವಂತೆ. ತಿಮಿರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕತ್ತಲು, ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ vanishes, the darkness gets vanishes when you just lighten the lamp. ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿನಿ. So with very patiently you should lead your life. ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸು. ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿನಿ, ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸು, ಕೂಗಾಡಿ ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಫಲವೇನು. He just says here that ಶಾಂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, with having more patience, you should lead your life and you should complete the task which all you have taken place. Kugadi haradi falavenu. You should not show off the things which you have not done, or you should not exaggerate the things. This is what he says in the second para. Now I'll move on to the third and the last para. Hasi saude busugatti daniya nettu udalte kidisoki maddu sidi dabbari podu. Okay, he just says that hasi saude here means the fuel, liquid fuel. Saude means fuel. Okay, so hasi saude busugatti daniya nettu udalte he just says that how does the fuel burns without making sounds. There are certain wood, solid fuels which burns with sound, but there are certain fuels which burn without making any sound. Kidisuki maddu sidi dabbari pudu. Here he says that with a small kidi means small sparkle, there is a maddu. Maddu means the patakshi. What do you sell? The crackers. Okay, maddu means crackers. So cracker here means the maddu. That patakshi or the maddu, even with the small sparkle, it just creates the large amount of sound. It is telling here. Kidisoki maddu sidi dabbari pudu. You should not be like these crackers. Like you should not show off the things. Again, he just expresses here. Antiradi ravi kirana karugu vibbanni olu. So ravi kirana means sunlight. Okay, here ravi kirana means sunlight, and vibbanni means fog. So as soon as this sun rays falls on this vibbanni, actually it is called as vibbanni, but here he has written as karagu vibbanni holiru. So as soon as this ravi kiran, that sunlight falls on the fog disappears. Okay, that is what he says here, that antira de ravi karage karagu vibbanni holiru. That means silently, without making any sound, the fog disappears when the sunlight falls on the fog. Siduku miduku annu toredu mauniyagu. So siduku miduku means without having any what it is, arrogance, egoness, and talking meaningless, speaking some meaningless things and all. You should live your life maunavagi, in a very silently or patiently you should live your life. This is what the summary of this small poem, that is Saddu Madadiru. I hope you have learned something through this video. If it is, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.